DataXu is working with the most advanced brands, helping them fulfill their marketing plans. My role in the company, I'm co-founder in the company. I head the innovation team. Within the innovation team, we're developing the TV solution. And in general, we look forward what can be done in the market.
And what problems is DataXu solving for, and why is that so important for the industry?
The problem we're trying to tackle is the ability to execute a campaign across all channels in a seamless way. So imagine a world where you can have a campaign, and the campaign can span every channel, from linear TV to addressable TV, connected TV, desktop videos, banners in websites, mobile devices, and it can be all seamlessly executed through a single user interface, very simple to understand, very simple to track, and it's totally self-service. So in that framework, so that's what we have, that's what we're building. You can do two things that are very interesting. One is you can execute any audience that you have, either first party, third party, and you can execute it across any channel. And you can also control frequency. In many cases, you may want to have a frequency of 3 or 4 per week, and you can do that. And sometimes you can define that frequency you want to deliver it all through a combination of linear TV and connected TV, or you may want to span actually to desktop videos. You may want to use different types of inventory, premium, semi-premium. You want to extend reach, you want to control frequency, and that's all done through a very simple and single user interface that is totally self-service. I think what really excites me is the underlying technology. In order to enable this, that sounds very simple, right? I can just run my campaign, and I heard earlier today that it was utopia. You cannot do that. The underlying technology is it's a graph of graphs. We're connecting all the different devices that consumers have, and we are able to understand a behavior that happened in a mobile phone. How can we use that behavior to affect a campaign that's executed in linear TV or connected TV or addressable TV? And that underlying technology, although it's very complex, is now fully executed, is operating right now, and it's operating at scale. And these are data sets of petabytes of size that are completely fully integrated and can respond in real time. So you right now can know if a person has seen 1, 2, 3, 5 ads. You can decide whether you want to show a next ad or not. And you can also know which audiences this specific consumer that's loading an ad belongs to. We come from the digital world. We think that we were in the forefront of the creation of RTV. For us, it's really important, has been a really interesting realization, see the value of TV. We know that TV sells. There is something magical happening in the living room, and we want to help advertisers tackle that power and use that power to tackle their challenges in marketing. So that requires us to not only work with the technology that, the future technology and one-to-one delivery of ads, but also with linear delivery, where you actually are buying 10,000 impressions at once or 100,000 impressions at once. And I think the best technology is the one that can adapt to the reality of the market and doesn't force the market to change the way it's operating. So our dream is, and what we're building is an execution that can work across linear TV, on thousands of impressions at once, on single impressions, with walled gardens, Snapchat, Facebook, and all the different types of inventory available, and also impression by impression, which is where we come from.